Hi, Steve here. Welcome back to mensdivorcesite.com. You've stumbled on the finances section of this site, and here we're going to talk about a number of things that deal with how to address your financial picture pre, during, and post divorce.
Yeah, I think the one of the things to emphasize about the financial component of divorce is it runs the gamut. You know, if you're a salaried or hourly W-2 worker and you don't own property, that might be, and you haven't been married for a long time, that might be perhaps one of the more simplistic scenarios. Not that it's going to be easy by any stretch of the imagination, but my particular scenario was I was married for a while, I had kids, I owned a business, I owned a home, and it was a more complex kind of financial scenario. Arguably one where I could afford more, but it was a lot easier to misinterpret where things were. It wasn't as clear a picture. So in my personal opinion, that prolonged things. The complexity of that prolonged things. But this section is going to deal with the simplest of scenarios all the way to the most complex. And again, I think it's an area where, because of the mistakes that we made, and perhaps some of the successes that we had, I don't know, that there'll be a lot to learn in here for somebody contemplating divorce.
Considering your finances is absolutely critical. I made some stupid decisions and wound up paying 20% of my monthly revenue before taxes in alimony to somebody that I was married to for 6 years. We didn't have kids, we didn't have a mortgage, we didn't have property, we had no debt. It's something that you need to be cognizant of and pay attention to. So we're going to try to address some of the things that you can do really, really wrong in this section and hopefully give you some advice that's going to help you avoid just stupid mistakes.